Aphrodisiacs, it's me Khadijah. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys my updated puff routine using these hair ties from a company called Bunzee bands. So my hair was previously styled in a dry twist out. It's like 6 days old at this point, and I just twisted it the night before with this Camille Rose buttermelt. I love this stuff for my dry twist out. It gives me really good definition, makes my hair soft. So I'm just taking out my twist, and lately I've been really liking my puffs on elongated hair just because I feel like, of course, my puff has more length and I just think it looks really cute. So I've been doing my puffs lately on dry hair, like on old hair. So after I'm done taking the twist out and separating, I'm just gonna go in with my Afro pick to get as much volume as possible. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to applying my edge control, and this has been my favorite edge control yet. I'm going to have a link to it in the description box, but it's really good. I actually use too much here. You just need a little bit, and I'm just going to brush my hair back just to make my hair lay down really flat. Now I'm ready to put my hair in the puff, and these are the hair ties that I've been using from Bunzee bands. And they have created something really innovative that I think you guys are gonna love just as much as I do. So this right here is their hair tie. It's in 4 inches, and these are great for achieving multiple different hairstyles. Also, I want to mention that these hair ties are stretchy, adjustable, comfortable, easy to use, and also durable. I've been testing these out since August of 2019 behind the scenes, and they're still in perfect condition like 7 months later. So they come in a whole bunch of different colors. We have brown, multicolor, pink, black, and blonde. And I'm also going to be doing a giveaway for the black and multicolor one, so stay tuned for the end of the video. And this is their headband, which comes in 8 inches, so it's twice the size of the hair tie. And these are also great for achieving a puff. What's really different about Bunzee bands is that they have this pre-adjustment setting, which means that you can take the bead and place it as tight or as loose as you want it to achieve the perfect puff. So to achieve my puff, I've been gravitating more towards the hair tie over the headband just because the hair tie is the perfect length for me to achieve my puff. But if you're looking for more fabric, then definitely go with the headband. So I'm just going to brush my hair back to make sure that it's nice and smooth. And then I'm going to go in with the hair tie and loop it around 3 times. Now, once you install the Bunzee band, you're pretty much good to go. But what I like to do for some extra security is just pinch the bead and move it upwards. This is completely optional, but it makes the ponytail feel even more secure without causing any discomfort or headaches. So now that we've got the puff, of course, I'm going to go in with my Afro pick to get more volume. And I'm also just brushing my baby hairs in place. Now, if your puff kind of gets flat like mine, because this is like the end of the week, so I have a lot of product in my hair and it's dirty, what I like to do is take 2 bobby pins and just pin the front of my hair, kind of pinning it upwards so that I have more volume. So this is my updated puff routine, you guys. It's really simple, and these Bunzee bands have made it really easy to achieve the perfect puff that's secure and comfortable. So now that you guys know how I like to use the Bunzee bands, I'm also going to show you how to remove them, because I've had these since the summer, and it's definitely taken me a while to perfect the removal process since there is a learning curve. So what I recommend you do is make sure that the bead is at the very end of the hair tie. The bead has a tendency to get caught onto fine hair, especially if it's too close to your hair. So you want to make sure that when you're removing the hair tie, you're taking your time and you're keeping that bead like as far away from your hair as possible. And it's literally that simple to remove. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you guys are interested in Bunzee bands, make sure that you check the description box down below, that you use my coupon code, and also stay tuned for my giveaway.